Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block ads on any website in the Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. In this video, we will guide you through the easiest steps to enhance your browsing experience by eliminating intrusive ads, whether you are tired of pop-up or looking to speed up internet browsing. We have got you covered. Let's get started. First, open Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on this one menu icon that represents with Arc icon. Click on it. Then hover mouse over extensions and then click on this one add extension but option. In this one search box, type add guard and click on this one add guard add blocker option. Now click on this one add guard add blocker. Now click on this one button add to Chrome. Again click on this one add extension button. This will now download and install add guard add blocker on your Windows 11 PC under Arc browser, and it will automatically download database filters. Once done, click on this one continue with extension button. After that, turn on this one block trackers, block social budgets, block phishing and malicious website, block search ads and websites self promotion. After that, click on this one extension settings. Now open a new tab and visit any website such as gearupwindows.com, and you will not see any ads under any website whatever you are visiting. It will be ad free. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.